finest modulus is ang katong nakuha na ito na total sa cumulative percentage retain i-divide na oven drying method. Rapid test method using a microwave oven, and third, calcium carbide method for field use.
Crash na mo ba?
First is ang oven drying method. Ang process niya is first, take our representative sample of the aggregate. Or kung siya kasi ginagawa, iwan na tabas na sa lab. Weigh the sample. Ang next na ito
Ito na diskarte ko.
ang wet weight na niya. Next
Dapat
is
yung mga
third,
check.
dry the sample in an oven at temperature of 110 plus minus 5 degrees Celsius until a constant weight is achieved. Typically 24 hours.
Pwede ko.
Next, lastly is weigh the sample after drying. This is the dry weight na. So, ang formula nato is wet weight minus dry weight along with dry weight multiplied by 100. So, wala na guys ang formula. Wala na ito ang wet weight tapos minus natin sa dry weight multiplied by 100. Next is ang rapid test method. Repeat ang ingon diya is i-usap lang natin itong ang process atong dry method, oven dry method.
Pero overall, hindi daw siya maka-impact because, again, test method siya. Okay. Next is apparatus and materials. So the first is the weighing balance. The balance shall have sufficient capacity, be readable to 0.1% of the sample mass or greater, and conform to the requirements of M231. So ang M231 is para siya like parang label or standard label lang sa mga requirements na which is usable for laboratory experiments. And yung use yung balance is syempre to measure aggregates. Dili lang po na aggregates, syempre mga soils and etc. The next is the pumping rod. A round straight steel rod, 16 millimeters or 5/8 inches in diameter and approximately 600 millimeters or 24 inches in diameter.